yabona amakhosi induna before basibone sisabalalile emphakathini, and we have been very intentional ukwenza sure ukuthi zonke lezo zinto siyahlonipha and siyayilandela. But sinomamdlamini nonina abasolundi ekade futhi kuyibona umphakathi nje wabantu besifazane baselundi ekade futhi kuyibona kade besifakela ama post khona ngale eZululand. Sikhona ko Newcastle, sikhona ko Nongoma, bakhona abantu abakhona. And esikhathini esiningi sizwa ngabo mase kukhona izinto ekumele zenzeke, because sihlezi sibalekela ukuthi sifike endaweni sesiqhamuka sokwenza ama program angekho aligned to umphakathi nezinto ezidinga umphakathi. But sikhona impela, even if uya ku Facebook wethu eKZN, Rise Mzansi eKZN, I think zonke ithombo zoyibona lapha, it's either sisemalokishini or sisemakhaya, mhlasimbe zu 5 to 10 la esikhona endaweni enje, but umsebenzi wethu kakhulu semakhaya nasemalokishini.
No, ukuya komkhulu ngesixhosa apha komkhulu, we are going to follow the right protocols and go. In manifest it has only become ready now, because when you go and introduce yourself, you must tell a full story there and not say and secondly, getting again, you are unlikely to see us in the media when we go there. As Nonkulego was saying, there are certain things for us that are just important, not only culturally but generally, because it's election time now. Everybody wants to use the stature of the royal family to win votes. Tinage, we're not going to do that. We will go as per protocol and introduce ourselves, because when you are operating in a place, you want to say what is corner. This is what we stand for, and so on. If Kemona they want to make an announcement, they can, but Tina, we won't. That's how we operate. Plans about rural areas, and then the last thing I want to say on just the varsity thing. So, one of my friends, Ulukona Mgunye, a University of KZN, made a submission to that Fees Must Fall Commission to say the funding is not just about people accessing university. It's about having enough university space. It's about